it's me again, Teacher Donna, and welcome to English Time. Today we are going to continue learning about phonics, but before that, I want to ask you, did you do your homework yesterday? Did you answer the sheet yesterday, yes or no? I told you to answer 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I am going to tell you the correct answers. Are you ready? Alright, so yesterday we had bat, B, right? Now we have number 2, rat, R, it's letter R, rat. And number 3 we have cat, K, K, cat. And number 4, hat, hat, it's letter H. And last one we have mat, mat. Did you get it? So we have letter R for rat, C for cat, H for hat, and M for mat. Now we're going to read CV blends. But before that, can we review first the sounds of letters? You follow teacher, okay? You have to listen carefully. Okay, so I have here the flashcard. Now let's start. A, A, B, 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 B. Very good. C, K, C, K. D, 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 D. E, 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 E. F, F. Good job. Now letter G, 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 G. H, H, H. Good job. Letter I, E, I, E. Very good. J, 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 J. Okay, next. K, 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 K. L, 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 L. M, 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 M. Letter N, 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 N. Okay, can you follow? Okay, Teacher Donna will speak slowly so you can follow, okay? O, 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 O. P, 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 P. Very good. Q, 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 Q. R, 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 R. Okay, next one we have letter S, S, T, 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 T. Very good. Letter U, U, Good job. Letter V, 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 V. Let's have letter W, 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 W. Good job. Are you following? Can you follow teacher? We have letter X, 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 X. Next we have letter Y, 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 Y. And last but not the least, we have letter Z, Z. And the sound is Z, Z. Actually, this one you can say letter Z, it's okay. Or letter Z, it's also okay. And the sound is Z. I think you are ready to read the CV blend on the board. So let's start. Now we have here letter B. And the sound of letter B again is B. Yes or no? B, 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 B. Very good. And the sound of letter A is Okay, so b, a, ba. One more time. B, a, ba. Okay, and now we have letter E. And the sound of letter E is E. B, E. B, E, B. Okay? B, E. B, E, B. I, E. Okay? E. B, E, B. B, E, B. Now letter O, O. O, O. O, 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 O. B, O, what? B, O, ball. Okay? B, O, ball. And the last one we have letter U, A. U, A. A, A, A. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. Right, one more time. B, A, ba. B, E, B. B, E, B. B, O, bo. B, A, ba. So you see, letter B sounds b, b, b. Okay? And letter A, b, a, ba. B, a, ba. And letter E, b, b, b. B, e, b. B, e, b. Okay? And letter I, E, E. B, b, b. B, E, B. B, E, B. Okay, can you get it? Alright? And next letter O. B, b, b. B, O, ball. B, O, ball. And letter U, A. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. Very good. So we have ba, be, be, bo, ba. We will practice that tomorrow, okay? Well, let's have the next one. We have here pictures. Alright, so number 1, what is this? B, a, ba. Bag, bag. A bag. This is a bag. Yes or no? Yes. And number 2, a. B, e, be. Bed, bed. A bed. What is this? This is a bed. B, e, b. Bin, bin. A bin. What is this? This is a bin, right? What is this? This is a boy. Yes or no? Yes. B-o, bo. Boy, boy. A boy. What is this again? A boy. What's this? Is this a bus? Yes or no? Yes. Correct. B-a-ba. Bus, bus. A bus. This is a bus. This is a boy. This is a bin, bin. A bin. What's this? This is a bed, bed. Very good. And this is a bag. Very good job. So one more time. B-a, ba. B-e, be. B-e, b. B-o, bo. And B-a, ba. Okay, so that's it. Just remember, letter B sounds b, b, b. Okay? And a, e, o, a. Ba, be, bi, bo, ba. Don't you worry, because Teacher Donna will help you until you can read, and you will be very, very, very good someday. Okay? Alright, so I think that's it for today's phonics, and I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone!